Have you ever thought of copying someone's work or making a piece so similar to someone's piece? We commanded you to stop and don't ever think about it. Why? Because we have intellectual property.
Intellectual property, we have Republic Act 8293. Intellectual Property Code of Philippines. Under this, we have A. Copyright and related rights, B. Trademark and service mark, C. Geographical indication, D. Industrial design, E. Patents, F. Layout design of integrated circuit, G. Protection of undisclosed information.
But let us focus on copyright and deepen our knowledge about it. We will enlighten you how the copyright works, how to apply for copyright infringement, and the penalties if you commit this crime.
The legal right of the owner of intellectual property is referred to as copyright. The right to copy is the simplest definition of copyright. The only people who have the only right to reproduce a work are the original authors of that work, and anyone to whom they grant permission.
How do I register my copyright over my work? First, 2 copies of the accomplished application form and the duly notarized affidavit. Second, copies of the work being registered as deposit. Third, 2 pieces of documentary stamps. Fourth, application fee.
How copyright infringement occur? Copyright infringement occurs when a copyrighted work is reproduced, distributed, performed, publicly displayed, or made into a derivative work without the permission of the copyright owner.
Prove copyright infringement. 1. Establish the ownership of legitimate copyright. 2. That the infringing party had the access to the copyrighted work. 3. That the infringing party had the opportunity to steal that work. 4. Prove that protected elements of the original work have been copied.
What are the penalties provided by the Filipino law for copyright infringement? Imprisonment of 1 year to 6 years and a fine between 50,000 to 150,000 pesos for the first offense. Imprisonment of 3 years and 1 day to 6 years plus a fine of between 150,000 to 500,000 pesos for the second offense. Imprisonment of 6 years and 1 day to 9 years plus a fine ranging from 500,000 to 1,500,000 pesos for the third offense.